Hey yo interneters, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be learning how to do the Neo Sonic. I want to take a quick moment to say thanks to Dave for suggesting this pin trick and for all of you who did before. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So to do the Neo Sonic, you want to take your pin and hold it between your index and middle finger. From there, all you have to do is pull your index finger downward and the pin should naturally flip or go up. And if you do this fast enough, the pin should roll over your index finger and you catch it with your thumb. That's all there is to doing the Neo Sonic. So this is my first attempt at doing the Neo Sonic, and of course it failed, right? Obviously. But after a couple of tries, I started to get the hang of the Neo Sonic, and it didn't take me too long to learn. And when I say it didn't take me long, I mean it really didn't take me long. And the total time that I spent was 2 minutes and 13 seconds, and I dropped the pin a total of 12 times before I got consistent or familiar with the trick, and I got the whole thing down, I guess you would say. So I would say that, hey, you know, to start off in pin spinning, I would say try to learn the Neo Sonic because it's so fairly easy and I think anyone can do it. I know that there are 4 fundamentals that everyone should learn, but to start off, why not just do the Neo Sonic just so you could, you know, get the feel for it first, and then after that you could transition into learning the fundamentals, since, you know, the Neo Sonic is just so easy. And so after I learned the pin trick, I was like, I could just post a video on this, but in my back of my mind I was like, it's kind of too short and you guys been waiting for like a week, and that wouldn't be right. So I was like, we'll move on and we'll do some other tricks along with this as well. And so what I noticed about learning the Neo Sonic is you could run into a problem, and that problem is when you're trying to flip the pin over, you can see that the middle finger is actually stopping the pin from going fully all the way around. So I want to point out that when you're trying to flip the pin over with your index finger while pulling it down, you want to move your middle finger out the way so this pin could fully turn all the way over. And so once I learned the Neo Sonic, I was like, let's do the reverse trick of this, since, you know, Tambudo mentioned that I need to learn the reverse trick of every trick I learned. So I was like, this will be the starting off point. And so we're moving on to the reverse Neo Sonic, right? And it's in its name, right? To do the reverse Neo Sonic, you want to do the Neo Sonic but in the opposite direction, so the pin goes into the opposite direction, right? And so when I'm doing my first attempt, of course it doesn't go as well as planned, and it only took me 3 minutes and 38 seconds to learn the Neo Sonic, and I dropped the pin 26 times. I know, right? It didn't go too well, right? It took a little bit longer for me to learn this trick compared to the Neo Sonic by a minute. I know, it's tragic. I'm not that good. I'm slowing down, man. I know, I'm slowing down. Once I got this, oh wait, I really forgot to add on the how-to part. Okay, so how you do the reverse Neo Sonic is you hold it between your thumb and your index finger, and then from there you want to push the pin over with your thumb a little bit, and it should roll over your index finger, and you catch the pin on with your middle finger, so it should be slamming down on like your middle finger, and you just pinch it between your index and middle finger, and that should be it. And so once you learn the reverse Neo Sonic and the Neo Sonic, you get to do something cool. You get to do like a back and forth motion with this 2 trick, and I think this is called the Neo Sonic Harmonic, similar to how you do the thumb around and the reverse thumb around, and you get the thumb around harmonic. And to learn the Neo Sonic Harmonic is just doing the Neo Sonic and the Neo Sonic reverse, as I mentioned before. And once you got those 2 trick down, learning the Neo Sonic Harmonic shouldn't take you any time at all. You should be able to get it down in no time. So yeah, this was the Neo Sonic into a Neo Sonic reverse into the Neo Sonic Harmonic, and I hope you really enjoyed the video. Yeah, that's all I have for today, and like always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time. Oh, and yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.